Our kindergarten students participated in their first outdoor education experience at the picturesque Gunbower Estate. With curiosity and excitement, they explored living things up close, investigating and classifying the fascinating water bugs in our environment. Next, they enjoyed a taste of traditional bush food, cooking damper over the coals, and sharing conversations around the fire. Bright smiles filled the petting zoo as students interacted with the animals. On the banks of the Gunbower Creek, they explored culture through storytelling and hands-on craft activities, letting their creativity shine. A tour of the historic homestead deepened their understanding and appreciation of our school's second campus and its rich history. The Kindergarten Big Day Out was a joyful celebration of collaboration, curiosity, creativity, and most importantly, fun, as our youngest learners made meaningful connections to their learning.